What is up everyone, hope so you're doing well, and in this quick tutorial we will fix Samsung Galaxy A22 camera not working, camera failed or camera problem. So first of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are first time on this channel for more latest videos. So to fix Samsung Galaxy A22 camera problem, just follow every single step. So first of all, just tap on settings icon and follow every step as I'm showing you in this video.